Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. Today is Thursday and the date is 26th of November 2020. Please, everyone, open to page 241. We're gonna do the unit.
I'm opening it.
Very nice. Good. 241. Nice. So, we'll start with the vocabulary review. We learned the vocabularies adaptation, classification, dichotomous, key and germinates, life cycle, and spore. So let's start with number 1. Who wants to read and answer, please?
Me, Tyler.
Yes, Tyler, you can start.
Me, Tyler. Use the terms in the box to complete the sentences. A seed that begins to grow into a plant starts to sprout or germinate.
Excellent. So number 1 is germinates. Very nice. Number 2, Judy.
A single reproductive cell that can grow into a new plant is a...
Okay, to do this one, you have to look at the box over here and ask yourself, which one of them will begin, is a reproductive cell? Is it adaptation, classification? Does these things grow?
No.
So is it germinates, life cycle, or spore?
Spore?
Excellent. Yes, so number 2 is spore. Let me write them for you. Number 1, germinates. Number 2, spore. Okay, who will do number 3? Who wants to do number 3? Okay, I'm gonna choose by name. So Jenna?
When scientists organize living things according to similar characters, they are using classification.
Excellent. They are using classification, of course. Very nice. Number 3, classification. Amal, number 4, ya Amal?
Yes.
Number 4.
The different stages that an animal, such as insect, goes through as it grows, reproduce is called life cycle.
Excellent. It's a life cycle. So number 4 is a life cycle. Mariana, number 5.
Any characteristics that helps an organism survive is considered to be an adaptation.
Excellent. So it is adaptation. Very good. Very good. Next. Let's see. Yes, ya Feroz.
A chart with many choices that guide you to the name of of the organism or object you want to identify is called an is it the dichotomous?
Excellent. Yes, it is dichotomous T. Very good. Very nice. Okay, so I'll give you 1 minute to write the answers, please. I think 1 minute is enough. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. If you finish, tell Miss I finished, okay?
Miss, I finished.
MashaAllah. Excellent. What about the others?
The last word.
Okay. All right. So number 7. Who wants to do number 7? How about I'm going to read the question and everyone should participate. For example, if Maria said it's A, someone else will say I agree or disagree. And let's see who wins, okay?
Okay.
Marilyn.
Okay.
Now, number 7. Raymond wants to classify an organism. The organism can be seen without a microscope. Its cells have cell walls, but no chloroplast.
D.
The organism gets food by breaking down dead organisms. Which kingdom does this organism likely belong to? So
I think B.
B. Who say it's B?
B. B.
Does anyone have a different answer?
No.
It is
C.
B. Very good, very good. Who said C? I think I might heard C.
No, I meant fungi.
Yes,
Thought
fungi.
it was-
Because plants, they have cell walls, excellent, but the most important thing that they have is chloroplast. Otherwise, how will they make their photosynthesis? No one will make food if they don't have the chloroplast. So, number 8, let's do it again. During the life cycle of plant, pollen comes in contact with the stigma and an embryo forms. What is the name of this process? Is it fertilization?
Fertilization.
Not germination?
No.
Excellent. Yes, that's right. You got it right. Excellent, girls. So, 7 is B, 8 is A. All right, let's go next. Maria, can you read for me number 9, please?
Okay. Some plants have a structure like the one shown here. What function is carried out by this structure? Anchoring, reproducing, making food, or transporting water?
What do you think?
A. A.
Transporting water.
Okay, first of all, what is this?
It's a kind of
Miss, I
plant
think
that
it's
has
A.
seed. An acorn. An acorn.
It's a corn.
Yeah.
Acorn?
Acorn.
Does it look like a pine cone?
Yes.
Yeah.
So it's a
Yeah.
cone. What does a cone do? Is a cone anchoring, reproducing, making food, or transporting water? You're saying
Anchor.
it's A. Who
Yeah.
have different answer? What does a cone do? What can you find inside a cone? Food?
Yeah. Yeah.
Such as what?
I don't know. It's like a sunflower seeds.
Excellent. It's like sunflower seeds. And what do they do, these seeds?
They reproduce.
So, is it anchoring or reproducing?
Reproducing.
Reproducing.
Are you sure they don't make
Yes.
food?
No.
I'm trying to confuse you. So, please make sure of your answer. So, you choose A, B, C, or D?
B.
B.
Okay, put a small mark beside B and we will continue later. We will see the answers together. Now, number 10.
Miss, can I read?
Yes.
The coloring of the rough green snake allows it to blend in with its background. What type of adaptation is the rough green snake's color? Behavioral adaptation, life cycle adaptation, physical adaptation, reproductive adaptation.
So what do you think?
Behavioral adaptation.
Is there anyone disagree? All right, very good. Okay, we call it another
Yeah,
name.
A.
Okay, we call it another name. What do I call it? When an animal blends.
Physical.
No, no, no. It's behavioral. But there's another name we call it about.
Camouflage.
Yes, excellent. It's a camouflage. Very good. Okay, what about number 11? Judy, are you ready?
Yes,
So tell me, number 11.
animals can be classified as as vertebrates or invertebrates,
Down.
which structures must be present in order for an animal to be classified as an vertebrate.
So, how will you say this animal is a vertebrate? By the tail, brain, wing, or backbone?
D.
Backbone, D.
D.
Of course, excellent. It is their backbone. Very nice,
D.
very nice. Excellent. Okay, number 12. So I can open the answers.
Okay.
Someone
Can I
reads?
read it?
Yes, of course you can read.
Manuel did a science fair. Did a science fair project on seed germination. Here is the
Procedure
procedure
he
he
followed.
followed.
So Manuel,
Step 1,
he's a guy. He made a science fair project on what? A seed,
seed
when a seed
germination.
germinates. Okay, now this is the procedure that he followed.
Step 1, place equal amounts of moist soil into 1-gallon glass jars and plant 10 radish seeds in each jar. Step 2, cover both jars. Step 3, place one jar in the refrigerator. Place the other jar in the dark closet, in a dark closet. Step 4, observe both jars at the same time every day. Record any differences observed in the germination of the seeds. What was the purpose of Manuel's project? To determine whether moisture affects germination, to determine whether seeds need oxygen for germination, to determine whether temperature affects germination, to determine how long it takes different types of seeds to germinate.
So what do you think he might did this for?
I think the seed to determine whether temperature affects germination.
Or what
Because
about A?
to determine whether moisture affects germination. It's a trick.
Hmm.
Um, I think C because he put it one in the refrigerator and one in a dark closet. The refrigerator is so cold, but the dark closet is warm.
Yeah, C.
Nice. Very nice. Excellent. And this was the answer I was looking for. Okay, very nice. Thank you very much, Yatala. I love when you answer and you know how to explain about it. Very nice, very nice. Excellent, Yatala. It is C, and I'm going to show you the answers in a while after doing this one. Number 13. Vanessa is observing an organism undergoing metamorphosis. Okay? Which stage must she observe in order to conclude that the organism undergoes incomplete metamorphosis? So how will she know if it's incomplete metamorphosis? If it has an adult, larva, nymph, or pupa? Huh,
D.
guys? Huh?
Oh, D.
What did you say?
C.
C.
Everyone agrees?
Yes. I
Yes.
agree.
Yeah.
Excellent. Yes, girls, it is a nymph. Definitely. If it has a nymph, so it is.
Incomplete metamorphosis.
Ooh, we did it all right, right?
And your answers were all right. Very good, very nice.
Except for one, it was physical adaptation. We choose behavioral adaptation.
Okay, so the coloring of the rough green snake allows it to blend in with its background. Oh, okay, so it's physical adaptation because it is about the appearance and the movement and how it look like and how it goes around. So yeah, it is a physical adaptation.
I thought it was like because it's camouflage and stuff.
It is
But-
camouflage, and camouflage is a physical behavior. It's not a physical adaptation. It's not behavior. Behavioral, how they eat, how they run, how they attack, or how they hunt, or how they meet their mates to have offsprings, how they communicate. So these are behavioral. Physical are camouflage or mimicry. Okay?
They're like basically like the stuff that lets them trick the animal.
Not only about that, but it's about the appearance of the animal. It's all about the appearance and how they move. Okay?
Okay.
Now, ready to go to the next page?
Yes.
Okay. We'll do this one. 14. Amal, can you read for me, please?
The diagram below shows how an ant lion catches its food. Ants. What does the diagram suggest about the ant lion?
Now let's see. The first square, ant lion builds a pelt
Pit
in the
in
sand.
the sand.
Okay.
Ant lion waits inside the pit. Ant falls into the pit. Ant lion eats the ant.
So, what does the diagram suggest about the ant lion? That the ant lion is not adapted to its habitat, or the ant lion has a diet of both plants and animals, or the ant lion survives by hunting and chasing food, or the ant lion has behavioral adaptation for its environment.
D.
Oh,
Yeah, I think D.
It has to be D.
really?
Yeah. For its adaptation in its environment.
Okay, so you are choosing D.
Yeah.
Is there anyone disagree?
No, not me. I'm D. Not me.
So everyone say it's D.
Yes.
Okay, we'll see about that. Now, 15. Hi, Jude. Are you here, ya Jude?
Yeah.
You read for me number 15?
Okay. Above is classifying organisms into different kingdoms. When he observes one group of organisms under a microscope, he sees that they are each made up of one cell, with no cells wall. Which kingdom do these organisms most likely belong to?
So the first thing we know about them that they don't have a cell wall. With no cell wall. Okay, if it's with no cell wall, is it a plant kingdom?
Fungi.
No.
No.
Is it
No.
fungi?
Fungi.
Is it
No.
animal
No, it's
kingdom
not
or
fungi.
bacteria?
No.
Bacteria.
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 Are you sure? No cell
Yeah.
wall.
Yeah.
Fungi.
Animal kingdom.
Who say bacteria?
Not me.
Who say animal?
Not
Me.
me.
How many of you say the animal?
Three.
And how
Three.
many say bacteria? None? What about fungi? Is it fungi?
Maybe.
I said,
Okay, so fungi, they don't have cell wall, صح?
Yes.
Are you
Yeah.
sure?
Yes.
Miss, I say bacteria.
Bacteria.
Okay.
Bacteria.
Let me tell you guys, it is not fungi because fungi, they look like sorry.
It's fine.
Okay, so fungi, they have cell membrane and they have cell wall. They look exactly like plants. Remember the mushroom? But they
Yeah.
are not
Yes.
green, so they don't have chloroplast, and don't call them plants because they don't produce, they don't make their food. They are decomposers. They eat dead plants and animals. So it's not fungi. Fungi, they have a cell wall. And a plant kingdom, of course, they have a cell wall. Everyone has a cell membrane, but a cell wall only for plants and fungi. Okay? And a bacteria, I think it is one cell, not too many cell, okay? Now, it can be bacteria or animal cell. What can make you differentiate if it's animal or bacteria? How can you know if it's animal or bacteria?
It's bacteria because we're not made up of one cell.
Okay, now Alam is
Because
classifying
it's
organism
one
into
of
different
the
kingdoms. When he observes one group of organisms under a microscope, he
And
sees
bacteria
that
is so
they
small.
are each made up of one cell with no cell wall. So it's all about one cell. This is how you
Yes, because
This is how you know if it's animal or bacteria. If it's animal, is it one cell or more?
trillions of cells.
Excellent. So is the answer bacteria kingdom?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Thank you very much.
There's bacteria.
Yes.
It is bacteria. Excellent. It is bacteria. Okay, scientists use classification to group living things. What is likely about living things that are placed in the same group? They are all the same age, the same color, the same size, or they all have similar characteristics?
D.
Yes, it's D. 17. The picture below shows a structure found on one type of plant. Which type of plant produce this structure? Is it ferns? This structure of what? What do you see?
A flower.
A
It's
flower.
pollen.
Does
It's a
ferns make
gymnast
flowers? Or mosses make flowers? Or angiosperms? Or gymnosperms? Remember?
It's one of. It's angio or
Angios.
Okay,
gymnosperm.
go back to angiosperm and gymnosperm. Tell me what's the difference between them.
I'm with C. Now I
Me
remember.
too.
Okay, so you are with C. Let's see the answers. Excellent, Yatana. It is angiosperm,
And also Marga
and
was
it is
saying.
also Bacteria's
I
kingdom,
said C.
and has behavioral adaptation for its environment. It's not C, it is D. I think you all said D. You said
Yes,
behavioral
Yeah.
adaptation. Very good.
most.
And 16 is D. So you got them right again. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. I'm so proud of you girls. Okay, we reached the end of our session. Thank you very much for participating, being here today, and answering all these questions. Inshallah, Sunday. Okay, guys, have a nice weekend. Do you have any questions?
Bye.
No.
No.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, please
yes.
sign up
yes.
on time for your next session. We'll see you inshallah Sunday. Bye bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye.